Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ito po inyong lingkod, si Freddy. Ang YouTube channel ko at Pilipino sa America Vlog YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just press the red button below and you are already connected and subscribed to my channel. And give me a big likes and make some comment whether in Filipino or English. And give me a big thumbs up. Okay? And you could make this share to your friends, benefactors, and also within your community or barangay. Okay? Ito ay hinango ko sa Inquirer. Okay, Inquirer, na si Senator Amy Marcos ay sinabihan ng kanyang kapatid, stand firm and put an end to PI or People Initiative. Bakit ba, Senator Amy Marcos, ay pinagpipilatan mo ang mga itinataguyod mo na ito ay ayaw ng mga Duterte at ikaw ay sumusunod? Ano ba ang naging dahilan? Pakisagot lang, Senator Amy Marcos. Ikinonsulta mo na ba itong economic provision sa mga eksperto o sa iyo lang at sa mga Duterte? Ayaw ng China na umasenso ang Pilipinas. At yan, kayo ay proxy ng China dyan sa Pilipinas. Isn't it? Kasama nyo si Maharlika na sumisira at nagiging anay dyan sa Pilipinas. Okay? Ang dahilan para amending natin yung Constitution ay dahil nangangailangan ito upang ma-amend natin yung 60-40 or 40-60 ownership ng mga foreign investors. Pinayagan na natin yung iba na 100% foreign investment like in telecommunication and other railways. Yan, pwede na yun. Pero yung iba, paano papasok kung hindi sila pwedeng ganun? Kasi nandyan yan sa 1987 Philippine Constitution. And that's the reason why we need to change the Constitution in order to go par with our neighboring Asian countries like Malaysia and Thailand, which are doing the same. The economic provision in the Constitution must be changed, Senator Amy. Why? To lift the current limits of the so-called 60-40 rule, which foreign ownership of local firms stand at 40%. Pag ginawa natin yan, magkakaroon tayo ng improvement in local competitiveness. Yan ang dahilan. At yan yung mga sinusuportahan yan ng mga ibang mga organisasyon like katulad ng World Bank. Yan ang suggest sa atin. Baguhin natin ang ating constitution upang umasenso at maging global competitiveness na. Tayo na lang ang naiiwan dyan sa Pilipinas. Yung iba pumapayag na. Napansin nyo, nung nag-pull out ang Amerika, kanilang mga US company from China, hindi tayo kasama. Because of what we have in the Constitution. Ang pumapayag lang na 100% ay ang mga call center. Isa yan. Kaya makita nyo, katutak ang call center dyan sa Pilipinas. And we are now the capital world of call center in the world. What we need are only talented Filipino who could speak English fluently. And you could be put as a call center agent. And that will be the start of your career. So, pag ginawa natin yan, maraming papasok ng foreign investor dyan sa Pilipinas. At hindi na mahihirapan ang ating Pangulo. Sabi ng ating Pangulong Marcos Jr., there should be a change to support the economy and fit the globalized world. Yan ang sabi niya. Constitutional reform can also be a vital tool to promote good governance and a constitution define and protect the citizens' right from governmental abuse. Alam niyo mga kaibigan, mga kasama, mga kabaling, ah, o sa mga Ilocano, kung gusto nating umasenso, we need to adapt to the technology. Okay? And we need also to amend the Constitution on economic provision in order for us to attain our goal and objective. Ang goal of objective ng ating Pangulo is to reach an upper level middle income country. The same with Thailand and Malaysia, naabot na nila. Ang Vietnam, naunahan na tayo. Bumapayag sila kahit they are also communist country, bumapayag sila. Kaya kailangan wag nating harangin. Bakit nyo hinaharang Senator Amy Marcos? Alam ko hindi ikaw yan. Sinusunod mo ang mga Duterte. At bakit ka? Ang lakas mo sa Duterte. Mga pro-China ka rin. Dapat mo ipaliwanag yan sa tao. Ang popularity mo, Senator Amy Marcos, ay going down. Alam mo na ba yan? Ang popularity mo ay going down. So, kayo mga kaibigan, mga kasama, mga kabaleng, mga katropa, whatever you call yourself, listen to the president. He knows what he is doing. He got a lot of economic consulting. Alam nyo, sa isang mga company, we need an economic consultant in order for them to grow. And that's the reason why, yan ang aking natutuhan sa mga kumpanya aking pinagtrabahuan. They have a foreign economic consultant that guide them to proper techniques in all kinds of business and enterprises. Okay? In God we trust. Never hold your peace. I'll see you in my next vlog.